Hey guys, so we are on our way to Jaipur. This is day 2 of our India trip, and our driver has just stopped off in the middle of the road to feed some monkeys. Yeah, so this is just, it's not an entrance or anything like that. This is literally on the side of a road. And we've been able to feed some monkeys, have a look at some water buffalo, and yeah, look at this, check this out. Check it out. Wow. Guys, this is mad. This is mad. It's up from our app and said if we wanted to have a look at some water buffalo and monkeys. When I told him that we've never seen them in the wild, he was shocked that we have them in. He was literally shocked that we see animals in zoos here. This is crazy. So yeah, we're buying a 1 kg of bananas to give to the monkeys. I said to the driver, can we buy like 1 banana? He was like, no, you have to buy a kg, otherwise all of the monkeys will get jealous. Oh, this one is this one's disabled. Wow. Thank you.
Good. What's your name? Naam kya aapka? Lokesh. Lokesh will be help you.
Yeah, thank you.
With the banana with monkey.
Mike, do you want to?
I'm alright. Chuck it, throw it, Jack, throw it.
Don't be afraid, huh? He can help you. Lokesh will be help you. One in your back. Behind.
What?
One in the behind, yeah.
The monkeys, Mike. He doesn't want to feed no monkeys.
But yeah.
He stopped the car, we were sleeping. He said we need to get out.
I'm sorry to disturb you because
No,
this time will be never come, you know.
No.
Yeah, because you come to very short time to travel with me.
Yeah, and we don't see
So it's really very
amazing.
good luck, it's good karma, you know.
Yeah.
It's really very good karma.
Of course, yeah.
If you give any feeding for any animals, it's really very good karma. If you're feeding to any animals,
Oh, really?
it's a good karma for your life.
Yeah, I agree. That's why I said, can we feed them? It's basically saying that when you feed animals, it's good karma. So, yeah guys, remember that. Feed animals, good karma. Yeah guys, so we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. As I said, we're on our way to Jaipur. So, I think we're about 2 hours away. I think it's a 5-hour trip by car in total from New Delhi. So we left at 5 AM this morning, had about 2 to 3 hours sleep, so we're pretty exhausted, but we want to get back on the road soon so that we've got a whole day in Jaipur. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop the video here guys, save battery, and check back in with you when we land.
But today we're on the way to Jaipur. Josh probably told you guys. So we just stopped somewhere outside because we're gonna try this world famous biryani. Why is this one so popular?
Because they're making very fresh biryani
super
every
fresh,
day.
yeah.
So, and they use very fresh oil. So people are trust them.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Then lots of people come, the crowd from this biryani place.
Really? Okay, good. So I'm excited. Excited for this biryani? Jasmine?
Oh yeah, I'm buzzing, I'm starving.
Very good. What's this area called?
Is it from the Karbala?
Karbala.
Karbala outside Jaipur.
Okay. So we're in Karbala, just outside Jaipur.
Hey guys, we're at the biryani place. Wow. Hi. Wow. Best biryani in Jaipur.
Yeah, best biryani
Yeah,
in Jaipur.
best biryani. Wow. How long has this been cooking?
कितना टाइम लगा इसको बनाने में? 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours.
Great. Great. So we're gonna have ourselves some biryani.
Pickles there. You can see the pickles.
Yeah.
There's some more pickles, some chilies.
Yeah, best biryani.
So,
Thank you.
how much you need to you? Half kg for you or half kg for him?
Yeah. This is the biryani, and then this is like a chili ketchup, really spicy. When we were at the market yesterday, when we had momo, those dumplings, this is the red sauce that was with it, and then this is extra spice.
This is very fresh, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Oh wow. Oh, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Enjoying it?
That's good. That's really good.
This is the freshest biryani I ever had.
That's biryani. So picture this, I'm in India and I've got this stunning sari that I'm dying to wear to the Taj Mahal. But here's the catch, I have no clue how to wear it properly, so next thing you know, I'm in a random lady's house with my sari in hand. She was so lovely and within minutes, she's working her magic, folding and pleating like a pro. This is just a glimpse into the kindness we experience in India.
Attention
to detail, it's crazy.
Crazy. Yeah, all good.
Enjoy your lovely Chennai.
Will do. Thank you.
Tuk-tuk on our way to the Taj Mahal. It is 7 a.m. We wanted to get to the Taj Mahal for sunrise because it's the quietest time to go, basically. So yeah, you can't drive into there, so we're getting a little tuk-tuk. It's so early, we've had like 3 hours sleep, and the night before that we had 2 to 3 hours sleep, something like that. So we're kind of running on chapati and naan right now. Just entered the Taj Mahal, and our guide was saying that these are were the living quarters. I think he's going to explain what this building was here.
What's this building here?
This is entrance, main entrance.
Okay, so we're coming up to the main entrance, but yeah, this time of year it's quite foggy, so you don't really get the same view of the Taj Mahal as you would in the summer because of all the fog. Yeah, you can kind of peek through there and you can see the Taj Mahal. If you're going to come to Taj Mahal, guys, you need to be going at 6 a.m. Or even 4 a.m. I think it opens at 4 a.m. So if you're here in the summer, I think that's the best time to go. Otherwise, there's queues and queues and queues. And right now, it's really not too bad. I've been to Machu Picchu. I've been to Machu Picchu. We've been to Chichen Itza. So this is going to be my third world wonder. That's not a world wonder, is it?
I think it is.
Is the Eiffel Tower a world wonder? The Eiffel Tower isn't a world wonder. No, I don't think so. Anyone can see the Eiffel Tower. Anyway, this is our first reaction. Wow, this is absolutely stunning.
Good old Taj.
So every Friday, Taj Mahal is closed so that they can, so Muslims can pray in the mosque. Yeah. If I lived here and if I was Muslim, so in another life maybe, this would be a great praying spot. Alright, so we've just finished the Taj Mahal tour. What do you think of it, Mike?
That's alright.
It was alright. He was never going to say anything better than it's alright.
That's cool though.
No, because Mike thinks, oh, it's a nice building. He thinks the king has an ego. And he didn't do it for the love of his third wife.
I think he was trying to show off, bro.
He thinks he's trying to show off. But what's crazy to me is that like you build all of that and it's so beautiful and no one gets to live in it. For everyone else, just for everyone else to see. But yeah, so we're on our way back to the hotel now. It's currently 9 a.m. So yeah, we're gonna catch breakfast, head into Agra. But yeah, last night we got in at 12 and we went to some food with Jan, and it was just some like barbecue and naan bread. It was so good. To be honest, like everything that we've had in India food-wise has been banging. Everything has been so good. You guys, you don't have to be shy about the food. From Taj Mahal, and out the back of our hotel, there's a wholesaling market. Wholesaling market.
They honor everything.
Hi.
Tea, coffee, everything.
Namaste.
She say God blessing you.
Thank you.
It means very, you know, the older one.
Yeah.
It say it's really very good luck for the life.
Thank you. Thank you. You say hello? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Guys, so if I haven't mentioned already, we are in Agra today. And what day is it today? Is it Tuesday? What day is it? Tuesday today? Tuesday today.
Tuesday.
Yeah. And every day they have these markets. Every day at 3 a.m. And then what time is it?
3 a.m. start in the midnight.
Start
3 a.m.
3 a.m. But when's it finish?
Finish to 12 o'clock in the noon.
12 o'clock. Okay, so almost 24 hours.
Yeah.
Almost 24 hours.
Selling tomato. Now a season for spinach.
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, really?
Spinach is very good season, yeah.
Yeah?
Carrots as well, yeah.
Ginger,
Ginger, carrots.
ginger, carrot.
More healthy for white carrots.
White
White
carrots.
carrots,
We had that
yes.
the other day.
Capsicum. Capsicum. You know?
No.
You know capsicum? You have a yellow capsicum in the UK.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, it's like a capsicum.
Peppers.
Yeah.
Oh, bell peppers.
Yeah, but we
Yeah.
call it capsicum, Shimla mirch.
Oh,
In Hindi, Shimla mirch.
Shimla mirch.
Yes.
Okay. And these are wholesaler markets.
Yeah, wholesale market, yeah.
So independent buyers
Yeah,
come
yeah,
here.
they come here, exactly. Yeah.
Right.
And they're going to the street way to selling that.
Wow, okay.
Crazy.
Yeah. This is so busy.
Everybody watching for my body.
Yeah. Yeah, this is busy. Busy, busy, busy. And this is every day?
Yeah, every day. They use, you know, very famous chakunda. Yeah, chakunda. Chakunda.
Turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric.
Okra.
Yeah. Okra, yeah.
Yeah.
Karela. In Hindi, Karela.
Karela. Okay.
Yeah. And Arbi.
Arabi.
Arbi, yeah.
Yeah, learning so much.
Maybe some, I don't know, some English name. So I remember that.
Yeah. Wow, guys. And this is at the back of our hotel as well. We just went through the back door, and then this is where the market was. And you got is that papaya? Yeah, yeah. What are your name?
Vijay Singh.
Yazin.
Yes.
Okay, my name's Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Yeah, what's your name?
Gaurav Jain.
Sorry?
Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Yes.
Okay. What's
This
your
one
name?
coriander.
Coriander.
Yes.
Okay. And you got the best coriander in Agra.
Yes.
Best
Try
coriander.
please.
England. Yeah, England. You ever been?
India no.
No. Maybe one day.
आपने देखा वो पूछ रही है इंग्लैंड गए हो कभी? No. No.
Agra. Acha.
Agra अच्छा.
Acha.
Because
Yeah.
of Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
Check dole.
Yeah.
Dole, you know biceps.
Bodybuilder.
Biceps in Hindi, dole.
Dole.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dole.
Acha dole.
So by अच्छे dole.
Acha dole. So a common theme in India has been Mike's biceps.
say your wife.
Oh, you? Oh, okay. Oh, really?
Like say yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Real?
Yes.
Ah,
He is my husband.
Your children?
No children, not yet. Yeah.
Soon.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, hi.
How are you?
Hello, how are
Hello.
you? Hi.
अच्छे हैं लोग.
Thank you.
ये क्या करेंगे ले आके नहीं रखो.
We got
Thank you. क्या करेंगे जल्द हो जाएगा.